The right kind of diet can go a long way toward relieving the discomfort of a stomach ulcer. There are certain foods you probably already know you should avoid, including fatty, spicy, and sour foods. Once you have an ulcer, the following foods will help you relieve your discomfort. Foods with a lot of fiber. Foods with a high fiber content help in two ways. First, fiber reduces the amount of acid in your stomach. Second, it also eases bloating and discomfort. Beans, broccoli, berries, avocados, apples, pears, and oatmeal are great high-fiber choices. Probiotics. Probiotic foods contain living organisms that help restore bacterial balance in the digestive tract. Examples include yogurt, miso, kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, and tempeh. Research has indicated that two vegetables offer special benefits to anyone with a stomach ulcer: sweet potatoes and red bell peppers. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, which appears to have the capability to shrink stomach ulcers and may also help prevent them. If you're not fond of sweet potatoes, you can get a lot of vitamin A from spinach, carrots, cantaloupe, and beef liver. The second great choice is red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, which not only helps keep an ulcer from forming, but also helps it heal faster once you have one. Vitamin C is plentiful in strawberries, kiwi, and broccoli. There's also a lot of vitamin C in citrus fruits, but they have a high acid content and therefore may hurt more than they help. Contrary to what many people believe, eating certain kinds of food usually doesn't cause stomach ulcers. They're more likely to be caused by a bacteria known as H. pylori or by long-term use of pain-relieving drugs. But by eating the foods mentioned in this video, you can definitely help relieve stomach ulcer discomfort when you're suffering from one.